the very first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to layer the top of the haircut. We're starting here at the top. You can see I've got a center section from front to back, combing that hair straight up and just trimming up the top. Once I've completed the top, then we will start to address the sides and back. I will bust out the clippers and we will then carry on. But you can see I've taken another section on the right side from front to back, combing that hair to the previous section so that I can use the previous section as my guide. And then once we complete the very top on the right side, we will then go ahead and do the exact same thing on the left side. Alright, so now that I've completed cutting the top, you can see it is time to cut the upper half of the side. So, I'm taking my fingers and just working my way back and blending that upper half of the sides and back with the top that I just got done cutting. Once I've completed the upper half, I will then take out the clippers and basically blend the bottom half of the sides and back with the upper half of the sides and back. So as you can see, I've got the clippers in my hand now and I'm just going up, scooping out as I get to that upper half of the sides and back. And I've got the third shortest guard on my clippers right now. So we didn't go with the two tightest ones. We're going with a little bit of a longer look. And I'm just scooping up as I get to that upper half of the sides and back that I've already cut with my fingers. Alright, so now you can see I've got the clippers in my hand. I should say the trimmers. Sorry, the trimmers in my hand. And I'm just using the trimmers to go through and clean up the outline, clean up the neck, around the hairline, around the ear, around the sideburns. The clippers will take the hair nice and tight, but the trimmers take it even shorter. So right now, I'm just going through and taking the hairline nice and tight. Okay, just doing some quick layering here at the bangs just to lighten them up. And then we will style the hair with some pomade. Alright, so we've come to the end of this haircut. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or comments, please put them down in that comment section below. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And thank you so much again for watching.